Like a lot of people, I depend on my phone for many random tasks. If for some reason my phone became inaccessible, it would not be a problem because I have periodic backups saved to Google, and restoring it once I get another device could be done in a couple of days. On a recent trip outside the US, this same thought crossed my mind, and I realized the effects of losing my phone at that time would be substantially worse. I'll go over why that is and what I decided to do about it next. It would be a big problem if I ever lost my phone in a foreign country. With the language barrier, tight schedule, and constant on the go, a lost phone would have brought everything to a stop until I could get a replacement phone and restore everything to it. The fact that my itinerary, hotel reservations, and ticket reservations are usually on my phone, some requiring specific apps to use the reservation, made me realize losing my phone in this situation would be disastrous. With that thought in mind, I came up with a plan that I feel would save me from ever encountering that headache. What I have here is my daily use phone on the left, and on the right is my second phone of the exact same make and model. What I decided was that every 6 months I'd factory reset the unused phone and restore everything from my daily use phone to the unused one, creating an almost exact copy at that time. The first step is to do a factory reset of the phone I'm using as a backup. This will clear out all data and apps that were restored to the backup phone 6 months ago when I last did the same backup steps I'm about to do again. When the reset is done, the phone should end up back at the start of configuring a new Android phone. I'm not going to explain all the details of setting up your Android device until we get to copying data from the source phone, which is your daily use phone. The backup phone will need a Wi-Fi connection, so all of your apps can be installed once all the proper app information has been copied from the source phone. I skipped the SIM setup since it's not important on the backup device. Copying the data from your source phone to the backup phone is a pretty simple process where the phone will do all the work for you. You'll need a USB cable that can connect the source phone to the backup phone. Follow the prompts and connect the phones when prompted. The data will continue to copy for quite a while, so respond to the prompts as they appear, and eventually you will get back to a point where both home screens should look exactly alike. Even after the prompts stop appearing and both screens are identical, the phone will still be working in the background. You should notice the download icon appearing in the notification area. I usually let my phone sit unused and powered on for at least half a day to allow the additional installs to complete. This has been working well for me. Some of you may think you can't afford an extra phone, but there are cheap Android phones that could probably suffice as a backup, even temporarily. It's one reason I don't like using the latest and greatest phones. I don't feel as bad when I accidentally drop it, and having the exact same make model as a backup isn't a financial burden. I hope this video can be a backup plan you find useful. Leave any questions or comments in the comment section down below. That's all I have for now, and I will catch you in the next video.